Run through Spacious.
Hi guys! Today it's another Coach hauling. So I have package arrived today and I'm gonna unbox it for you, and of course I will give a little bit review of each bags. And here I'll show you. I have a package from Coach New York, and I have 3 today. I have 1, 2, and 3. So this one, it's a red one. Another one, it's a black one. And the last one, it's a signature and a black color. It's a mixed one. So these guys, I always buy it Coach online because I have no time to go to the shop, so I just order it online. And of course, it takes time for me to choose what I like, and I always choose the very trendy one. You know, it's more fashion. I'm into classic, but most of the time I'm into trend or fashion design. So first I'm gonna show you this bag. Of course, it comes always with a dust bag. When you buy at the Coach shop, it always comes with a dust bag. But if you buy in outlet, they don't give a dust bag. So here, the first one is a black color. They call it, this is a Runway collection. It's a Glovetan. They call it Glovetan Turnlock because of the lock, Turnlock like this. I like this color because it's a pure black with a gold hardware. I like Coach because of the hardware, guys. They always used gold hardware, and it's really beautiful. And they have always accessories attached like this with a tag with a name Coach, and I still love it so much. So I'll open for you. Just turn, and inside is a lot of papers. Of course, there's a zipper here, so you can keep your important stuff, it won't fall off. And another pocket here. It's another pocket here outside. And inside a small one. And here inside, this is a size 16, so it's just small. Yes, this is size 16, guys. You can wear as like this. And also you can wear a shoulder bag or crossbody. But this shoulder bag is really perfect for evening, for a special occasion when you go date with your partner. So it's really cute. You just take out the handle, guys. Here it's very easy. Just take this out. Here. Just take it out and you can adjust. What I like most is it depends on your height. So I am small, so I just put it at the last. At the last hole it gives 5. So you can choose when you want a very long one, and this is just perfect for me. It's just here. So if you are a tall girl, a tall lady, you can adjust here. So it's really cute. And there's another pocket outside. So a lot of compartment, you can put a lot. And this bag is a Glovetan Runway Coach collection. And it's very elegant. Perfect for evening dates. So the next one, it's another Runway collection, guys. This is another Runway Coach collection, but in coated, in signature coated. Signature means they have their logo here, so it's a signature canvas coated. And here's the red color. I like matching with red, and of course with the gold hardware always. And it's Turnlock. It's a Turnlock here. And of course the accessories that adds beauty to it. It's cute. And this is very simple because you can only wear like this, like a shoulder bag. You cannot wear to a handbag or something just like this in a shoulder. You cannot also put a crossbody here. It's not nice. So it's just like this, or like that when you're lazy. Yeah. You can wear like this. And inside, I'll show you. Just turn the lock here. So always comes with a zipper here and a pocket. And it's so spacious. You can put small wallet, your phone, a powder, a lipstick, and a small perfume. It fits everything. Just small sizes. And the color, it's kind of maroon. So it also matches the canvas coated, the tan color, and the red one. See guys, it's really beautiful inside. And this is a Runway Coach collection in coated canvas. So I like this color because I like red. And the last one guys is a big one. This is size 31. They call it Dalton. Dalton 31. 31 it means the size of this bag. So it's a medium size. It gives more bigger, a large size. So this is just a medium size. Size 30, 31 is, I guess it's a medium size. So it's perfect for a little bit bigger lady, and or if you want a lot of stuff inside, so this is perfect for you. So it's just a shoulder bag. You cannot do anything else. It's just a shoulder bag. And of course, comes with a gold hardware as always, and with a cute accessories. See with the letter C, and the tag, the Coach one. There's the name Coach. The accessories, it's really beautiful. And this is a very soft leather. It's canvas leather. It's a coated canvas here, and this is here the black color. It's a soft leather. And when you open, just like this, it's a clip like this. And good that there's a zipper inside. There's a 3 compartment, 1, 2, and 3. There's a zipper inside. You can keep your important stuff. It won't fall off and away from theft, you know. And it's so spacious, guys, and it's so soft. You can really put a lot, and it doesn't matter if it becomes bulky because it's so soft. So there is a pocket here, and the zipper in the middle. You can close, of course, for your important stuff to keep to secure. And this is a zipper here, another zipper. Comes with a certificate always. And it's very spacious, guys. You won't regret buying this because this is really useful when you go out for one day travel. Like, you can put a lot, and it's so soft. It's huggable. It's so soft. And the kind of leather, it's not so dangerous for the scratch. It's not so sensitive. So I really like this kind of leather because it's not so sensitive. Unlike this Glovetan Clutch bag, the leather is so sensitive. So be careful of your nails scratching here. It will really scratch here. So it's really dangerous. But it's elegant. So, guys, I have three. This is a Dalton31. This is a Glovetan Clutch bag or shoulder bag. And this is from Runway Coach Collection in Signature, the red color. So, which one you like, guys? Which one you like most, the big one or the small one? So you can check it out, guys, in your country. You can check it out online in www.coach.com, and sometimes they give some offers so you can save some money, and they have really a lot of choices, and they have a lot of classic style, classic design, but you know me, I always choose the one trendy, the one so colorful, the one so attractive to the eye. So that's what I always buy. And I have also some classic bags, so but not much. And so this is, guys, this is it. I hope you like my hauling, my unboxing and review for today for the Dalton31, for the Runway collection Turnlock bag, the red one, and the black one, another collection from Runway, and it's a Glovetan. So don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. It's Francie Helminger channel, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.